Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of an e-file. If you don't know what an e-file is, it is an electric file used for nails. So I do already have one, but that one is not great for acrylics. It's not good for taking nails off or shaping nails down or anything like that. So I went onto Amazon and I ordered one for myself. Now, the reason why I got one, I know, a backstory, is because back in the day, a couple years ago, I used to wear press-on nails all the time, right? Like religiously, but they would always pop off within like 3 days, right? So I jumped onto the acrylic nail tray. Now for acrylic nails, the upkeep, you're looking at like $50 every 2 weeks. That adds up. So we're jumping back into press-on nails, and I developed some tips and tricks that I'm going to show you in the next video on how I keep my acrylic nails lasting more than a week. Now, onto the unboxing. This morning I went onto Amazon.com and, well, on the app anyways, and as you can see, it's like still sealed. Lady just dropped it off at the door. I ordered one that I was going to get today, that I, would have been delivered today, because I'm ready to switch out my nails. And that's one of the great things about wearing press-ons as well, is that you can change the color and the style whenever you want to. Now, because of my newly found tips and tricks, it's a little bit harder to take the acrylic nails off. So I definitely had to get myself an electric filer. Now this one that I have, it costs $17.99. It is one of the more affordable ones. I didn't want anything too expensive because, again, I'm not doing acrylic nails. It's mainly to take off my press-ons and, if anything, to shape them and stuff like that. So this one is by Melody Susie. This line, I actually wanted the Macart one because I had a few Macart press-on nails and they were fire, but the Macart nail drills were a little bit more pricey. What I noticed with this company, Melody Susie, she had this and a couple others which are under 20. Then you had some in the 20 range and higher. This is perfect for someone like me who isn't doing anybody else's nails, just myself, nothing too crazy. It is still a professional nail drill. If you do want to do like house calls, salon work, stuff like that, you can do that with this, but this I feel like was perfect for me. Look how tiny this box is. All right, and it does come, or should come, with the drill bits. Melody Susie, bring your beauty salon home. And they do have a website, melodysusie.com, and I got this from Amazon, delivered it today. I paid $9.99 for same-day shipping. So here we are. I keep feeling like my phone is going off, but it's not. Y'all like my ponytail? All right, so I'm trying to open the box without actually bending my nail. All right, so here we are, sliding her out. Okay, so everything's out of the box. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Hi. All right, so it comes with a user manual, which is SA. Okay. It comes with the drill bits as well as the sanding block thingies there, to file down the nails. Extra tip thingies, right? Because they fade out, and that's a lot. I don't even know how much that is. The drill itself, of course, it comes with a cable. You can use a cable. You can use it cord free. You don't have to plug it in, and it charges via USB, I believe. Yes, USB port charger, and like, I don't know what you call this. I want to say the aux part. I don't know, but yeah. So that's that. And then this is the drill itself. It has some weight to it. It is metal. It's not plastic. It's not cheap. How do I turn it on? Maybe I do have to have it plugged in. I hope not. I think I got the one that you don't plug in. How do you turn it on? Give me a second. So me being the genius that I am, I ordered the one that you have to plug in. I wanted the one that you didn't have to plug in. Anyways, it's not the end of the world. The cord is quite lengthy. This is the length of the cord here, quite lengthy. And then you just plug it into any USB port, or if you have a brick, or like I have the extension cable thingy, and then just plug it into a brick, into the wall, extension cord, whatever. Now how you turn it on, I'm going to come back close and personal. Now how you turn it on is that it has a on and off switch, as well as a okay, so let me start over. So the switch in the middle is off. If you flick it to the right, it goes right, and if it spins right and you go this way, it spins the opposite direction off right, which is left. Now it has a dial right here underneath as well, and that will turn up the speed, and you can hear it there. It's not as loud as your typical e-filer that you'd find in the salons. It's pretty quiet. So you could use this while, if you have kids, or they're, you know, your husband's working, your girlfriend's working, boyfriend, husband, whatever. When your mom, your dad, whatever, whoever is working in the house, and you don't want to make a lot of noise, that's that. To insert the drill, you just put it in. Do not do like me. Do not be a baffan like me. I was trying to put the drill bits in this part, but this is for the charging ports. This is where you put your drill into the gold part. All right, your bits, I should say, and then you firmly slide it into place. And you want to do that while the machine is off, because that can mess up the motor apparently, which, you know, makes sense, but that's how I can still plug it in, turn it on, and you go to town with it. I feel like one side lower than the other, you know, because this says R and this says F. So I guess that's regular and fast, because I don't think it's moving in the opposite direction. I don't think so. Is it? Maybe it is. Maybe it's going to do this and I'm just crazy. Yeah, so that's it at its highest setting. Holding it in my hand, of course, you feel the vibration. And then the different drill bits do different things. They say this one is for surface work. Yeah, I guess it's surfacing. I guess. All right, turn that off. So I need to figure out what the different ones do. I know my nail person. Did I drop the sanding thing? I dropped 2 sanding thingies. My nail person, they usually use this one with one of these on top of it, like that, and then like sand down my nail bed. But this one, it comes with a whole bunch of them, right? I think this is the cone, and that one is under nails, cuticles, and sidewalls. This one here, I'm excited to use this one because I have like horrible cuticles. That one is for cuticle work, polish nail side edge. This one here is the needle head, and that's for polish nail edge. Hi. You have the small barrel, which is this one here, I'm assuming. That one's for surface work. There is this one here, the second one, and that one is the rounded bit. That's for surface work or backfill cutting, shortening, infill cuticle, right? That one is mainly, I guess, when you have actual acrylics on your nails. And then this one that I have on here is for surface work, shortening, and removal. Insert the drill bit firmly into the drill, connect the drill power cord, move the switch up or down through the direction of spinning, slide the speed control to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed. After the polishing is finished, please turn off the machine by returning the control switch to the middle position. All right, yeah, fun. I'm happy that it came with a little manual. Let me see something. Let me turn it down, because that sounds harsh. Let me see. Oh, haha. All right, so look. Because we're about to take this one off. But yeah. Okay, Lori. Okay, with the e-file. Look at that. Sis. And then there's this lady on here who does nails. Like, she's a professional nail person. I forget her name. I'll try to tag her down below. I was watching her videos and she's like, don't focus on one area for too long because then it'll burn your finger. And I'm like, I have felt that burn. I've been to nail techs where they're like just, oh, I'm sorry, you're not even seeing what I'm doing. Where they're just like pressing down on my nail and it burns, it hurts. I'm like, oh my God. And I don't want to go through that anymore. I don't want to go through the constant battle of not getting the look that I want from these people. Like, every time I do my nails, I still have to go home and like shape it up. Like, why? All right, so that like took off the surface of the surface of the press-on. That's cool. I'm happy with my purchase. My Melody Susie e-filer, I love her so far. Like I said, for tomorrow's video, we are going to be taking these nails off and putting on a new set of press-ons. And I'm going to definitely be using my e-filer, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. I hope this video was helpful for you and your Melody Susie purchase, your e-filer purchase. Now you know that it is cord and you have to use it with the cord. It's not cordless. The cordless ones are a little bit more expensive. I was just being very cheap, and also I didn't want to spend a lot of money on something that I know that I'm not using in a professional setting. Right? You feel me? Yeah, so this is perfect for that. And they do have cheaper ones, but this one I was able to get today, and it's still cheaper than going to my beauty supply store, because beauty supply store one was like $50 and I wasn't going to do that. So this was half the price and I got it the same day, hassle-free. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.